Meghan and Harry burn their boats under Netflix project pressure as full of hardship over extravagance. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry struck deals with Netflix and Spotify at an ideal time, according to a leading royal biographer. Meghan and Prince Harry became producers of audio and video content at a time streaming giants were desperate for the next big thing, royal biographer Andrew Morton has claimed. The author of the updated book Meghan, A Hollywood Princess, told Express.co.uk, talk about Prince Harry saying the stars were in alignment. The media's stars were in alignment. They were picked up by Netflix and Spotify at a time when all these streaming agencies were desperate for the next big thing and were prepared to pay a lot of money for it. Prince Harry spoke of stars being in alignment in relation to his love story with the Duchess during their engagement interview in November 2017. He said, "The fact that I fell in love with Meghan so quickly was confirmation for me that all the stars were aligned. Everything was just perfect." Mr. Morton also noted Meghan and Harry's global popularity and status has made the world their court and helped them create friendship and gain access to many A-listers. He added, "They got an address book that most people would die for." Meghan and Prince Harry announced they had signed a deal with Netflix in September last year, only a handful of months after they had officially stepped down as senior royals. This multi-year deal will see the Duke and Duchess create content that informs but also gives hope through their Archewell Productions powerhouse, the Sussexes said at the time. The couple has remained tight-lipped on the size of the deal, but industry experts believe it could be worth several $1 million. In December, they also disclosed a partnership with Spotify, for which they are to create podcasts featuring different perspectives and interviews with amazing people, as Meghan and Harry stated in their Archewell audio trailer. Meghan and Harry have so far released only a festive special episode for Spotify, which featured an array of celebrities reflecting on 2020 and Archie's wishes for the new year. But they have also announced 2 shows for Netflix through their organization Archewell. The first, Heart of Invictus, is a multi-episode production putting the spotlight on Invictus Games competitors ahead of the next tournament in 2022. The second, Pearl, is an animated series focused on the adventures of a young girl who finds inspiration from influential women throughout history. This series will have 6 executive producers, including Meghan and David Furnish, a Canadian filmmaker and Sir Elton John's husband. Prince Harry and Meghan discussed signing up deals with Netflix and Spotify during their landmark interview with Oprah Winfrey, broadcasted in early March. The Duke told the journalist these contracts were never part of the plan. He continued, "We didn't have a plan. That was suggested by somebody else by the point of where my family literally cut me off financially, and I had to afford security for us." After Meghan and Harry stepped down as senior royals, they gained the freedom to pursue financially profitable deals as well as live abroad. Over the past few months, they didn't just become audio and video producers but have also stepped into the startup world. But the couple's mega deals didn't stop at Netflix. Meghan and Harry also have one with Spotify for around $25 million. Through their Archewell audio imprint, the pair signed on to produce podcasts and other programming that uplifts and entertains audiences around the world. In March 2021, it was announced that Harry accepted the role of Chief Impact Officer with the coaching and mental health firm BetterUp. For that position, the prince receives around $500,000 annually. In addition, the Sussexes have an ethical banking venture that will pay about the same amount annually. Moreover, Meghan's investment in the vegan coffee brand Clever Blends could have her banking about $10 million. And the duo also pulls down $1 million for public speaking engagements. In December, it emerged Meghan had invested in instant latte firm Clever Blends. In March, Harry became Chief Impact Officer at mental health and coaching company BetterUp. The pair have also become impact partners with sustainable investment firm Ethic. But, throughout the past months, they have also continued their charity endeavors and advocate work through their Archewell Foundation.